So the box says Spectra, but what I want you to know is that inside of the box is so much more. There are things in here that you can use for a lot of other tricks, and without showing you exactly what they are, I want you to know that you can use some of these things for other effects. For instance, the custom handcrafted card box that you receive, one, there's no moving parts to this, but also this allows you to get things into play for other tricks. So anytime you want to add in some cards for a packet trick or any other thing like that, you can use the box for that. Not only that, there is a secret device that's also included that allows you to get things out of play as well. This means that there's no palming that you have to do. The system involved works 100% of the time. Super easy to do. It's automatic. And when you try it for the first time, you're going to be like, there's no way. And yes way. This is also here. So you're going to be able to perform this with a blue deck or a red deck. You're going to be able to get things in and out of play. Everything is here included in the box for you. This is so much more than just the Spectra trick. This is like a full system of stuff that I know you're going to have a lot of fun with and you will use out there in the real world. That is what's under the hood inside the box, the Spectra.